Changing your default browser in Windows 11 has become a pain in the butt. Up till now, if you wanted to change your default browser, you had to change each associated extension on its own. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Set default for an application. So if we put Chrome in here and then select Chrome, you'll notice that everything has to be done by file type. There isn't one way to do it and say, okay, make this my default browser. That's about to change. Let me show you what happens now once you've installed this latest update to Windows 11. Once you've installed the March 22nd cumulative update for Windows 11, which is KB5011563, things get a bit easier if you want to change your default browser. Let me show you how to do that. Open up Windows Settings, and the easiest way to do that is to use the shortcut key combination of Windows key and I. Once you open that, next you want to go to Apps. Then you want to select Default Apps. And where it says Set Default for Applications, do a search. In my case, I want to make sure that Chrome is my default browser. So type in Chrome and then select Google Chrome. And up on top now it says make Google Chrome your default browser. Once I select that, that's it. It now changes all of the different extensions that are part of what a browser controls. It is now that simple. Of course, if you use a different browser, just put that other browser in your search, open it, and you have a chance to select that browser and make it your default. No more having to go through and change every single extension that's part of being the items that a browser opens. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.